In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Brother DCP-L2640DW printer with a MacBook. First, we will go to the printer display panel. On the printer display panel, we have to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network using the display panel. So first we have to click on the menu, scroll down and look for the network and press OK. Select second option WLAN Wi-Fi. Find Wi-Fi network. It will give you the list of wireless networks. You just have to select your Wi-Fi and scroll down for that and press OK. And enter the password using these up and down keys. For example, to enter alphabet, select up. So it will start with the numbers, lowercase and then uppercase. Press OK to apply. For next, if it's a digit, you can again select it and press OK. So this way we have to enter the complete password. Press and hold the OK button to apply and then click yes. So it will connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network. Once it is connected, you will see the message on the screen and the green light will be stable. Now we can go back to the main screen. So press OK and click on the menu button and then go back. Next step is to go to your MacBook. Go to your MacBook and download the Brother iPrint and Scan app. You can download it from the App Store. Select the option, select your machine, and it should display your printer name DCP-L2640DW with the printer IP address. Select it and press OK. So quite easy. With the app, it makes easy to install the printer quickly. That is the main screen of the printer and we can start using it for printing and scanning. To print, select the print option. You can select a photo or PDF, or you can select anything from your laptop and then click open, click next, print. Now printer is really fast, so as soon as you send the print command, it will start working. So this way we can do the setup of the printer with the MacBook and then we can start using it. Thanks for watching.